We use our morning broadcast as a way for our school to communicate events and information throughout the school. And we have about 50 kids that are part of our broadcast team. I'm hoping to provide a safe place for them to grow their tech skills as well as their personal skills. I think it's really important for kids to have a chance to practice being responsible and work together as a group. I look at it as preparing them for jobs they might have in the future.
I've grown because I learned how to work together, so we use each other's ideas and produce one product.
Since I began broadcast, I now am better at technology.
We've reached a point where they've been doing it long enough that when the director says quiet on set action, everything just starts happening and we can just stand back for the most part and just watch it. And I remember when we first started doing this, it was kind of stressful for me to be in the back room trying to make sure that the person on the mixer is doing what he's supposed to do, the TriCaster is putting up the right things, the switcher is switching at the right time, the teleprompter is following what's going on, and the director is giving the cues. That's a lot of different places that, I felt like my attention had to be spread. Having the opportunity now to have had kids that have been on broadcast for several years made this year a real exciting year because we had 5th graders that were able to train 4th graders and 3rd graders. So we start out by having the little guys watch the bigger guys. And while they're doing that, the big kids are explaining what they're doing. And then we'll switch and they'll quietly coach them through the broadcast.
Once you start, it's pretty complicated because it looks like high-tech everything, but it's gotten a lot easier.
It's an opportunity for kids that are a little bit timid, that might be afraid of using the tools or might be afraid of being an announcer to be able to practice it in a place where it's safe, and that they learn that when they make mistakes they can grow from them and it's okay.
I have seen a change in growth in myself because, believe it or not, I used to be really shy when I was in 2nd grade, and when I started doing anchor in 3rd grade, I learned to find my voice.
I like doing director because it's like I'm in charge of everything that's going on.
To be a good leader, your personality has to be positive. So you have to make sure that everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing and that they're doing the right thing.
Every student that's been through our broadcast program is a student that I know I can count on if I need to. They're responsible, they're respectful, and they take direction really well. If a problem comes up, they don't panic, they're able to troubleshoot and help each other out, and I just couldn't be prouder of these kids.